truck that's fast and loud. He's happiest when he plays for a crowd, doing wheelies and donuts and jump after jump. He loves to do all kinds of stunts. He's a brute, he's a brute. Some say a thug, smashes little cars like they're little bugs. He might crash or flip, his tires might pop. Doesn't care much, he just won't stop. So what would you call him when he's the toughest, when he's the baddest truck around? Call him a monster, monster truck. Let them hear how you roar. Monster, monster truck, meanest 4x4. He can jump a giant plane. Yes, this truck is completely insane. In arenas and stadiums, what do they shout as they watch him drive about? What do they call him when he's the toughest, when he's the baddest truck around? In arenas and stadiums, what do they shout as they watch him drive about? What do they call him when he's the toughest, when he's the baddest truck around? They call him monster, monster truck. Let them hear how you roar. Monster, monster truck, meanest 4x4. And that's what they call him, 'cause he's the toughest, 'cause he's the baddest truck around. They call him